Good evening, friends. So, very good news coming for Gate Expand is that after a lot of speculation, rumors of postponement and cancellation of the Gate 2022, the Gate Committee now has decided to diminish all the rumors, right? And they have said that examination will be conducted as per as schedule, right? So, what was the schedule? Schedule for the examination was 5, 6, and 12, 13, right? The official website which I have opened, right? So when you open the website, they have clearly mentioned that the date of downloading admit card is available from 15th of January, right? I'll zoom it, right? So मैं zoom कर देता हूँ. Admit card download available from 15th of January 2022, right? So finally the day has arrived, right? So brace yourself and be ready and be focused, right? Don't believe on other rumors. This is the official statement. After 3rd of January, after 7th of January, now finally the result, the outcome is came that 15th of January से आप admit card download कर सकते हो, right? So this is the official update, right? If you like the update, right, so hit the subscribe button and like the video and share this with Get